they have pavilion, gazebo. There's a playground. Hi everyone. We're out today and we're going to check this new park in CATOCTIN. And she's running. As you can see, they have this pavilion, the gazebo, and the playground. And this is the nature center. Catoctincreekpark and Nature Center is the newest Frederick County environmental park. Opened in February 2011, the center is an environmentally friendly building situated on 139 acres along beautiful Catoctin Creek. Catoctincreekpark and Nature Center is located off of Salamat Road near Middletown in Jefferson, Maryland. The park has a nature center with 2 program rooms and a discovery room for your own drop-in adventure. The facility and the park hours vary, so please contact the Parks and Recreation or visit their website. The Nature Center hosts birthday parties, school group activities, and camps programs for all ages throughout the year. We have a water fountain. This is the gazebo. There's a grill and a trash. And I think this is the water too. The water hose. Somebody left his shoes right there. And they have this flag for your electronic gadgets. Oh, it's nice over there. Let's check it out. Come on, Jay, let's check it out. There's another grill. So for this pavilion, this gazebo has 2 grills. One is the bigger one, and one is the smaller one. So come on and let's go and check out this part. It says, this is a musical garden. Take a stroll through a history. Tadpoles. Candy. Wow. There's a tadpole.
That's grapes.
Yes, grapes.
Yeah. I want to eat it. It's so good.
Okay.
Don't tell me it's not good.
Nice.
Oh, Mommy. That's a tree?
That's a tree. And that's the snake now. Yes. It's okay. This was quite. Yes. Look at that. If you want to do some campfire or fire, there's a place for you to do that too. It's a long way to go. You can't see. And it goes all the way down there. In this area, they have a musical garden where you can play some music. Let's play music. And a drum. This symbol. And And there's a pathway right over there.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, baby. Mommy gotcha.
If you love walking, this is a nice place. Oh, this place is so huge. There's another rocks over there. Let's just check it out a bit. Oh, they have the wild berries. It's not ripe yet. It's not ripe yet, baby. It's not good. It's hot. And that's the playground of the parking. Let's go back to the park and explore more with the Ohana Fam. Say hi.
Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us more. And also, please subscribe to the following: FAMTayo, Jada the Explorer, Joanne's for vegan tips. Nearly every aspect of the building's construction is centered on the mission of the facility to provide the public with education about the local environment and ecosystems. Let's continue the story of the musical garden.
And that's how mother and father and their 999 young frogs found a new home.
We are still going down to this path.
Stroked it so many times with my foot.
Don't do it because there are some poisonous frogs.
No, it wasn't poisonous. I know.
I'm just
I
saying.
know which ones are poisonous. Yes, I do.
Jada.
Papa taught me. Papa knows a lot about nature.
I think we're going around in circles. I think.
It's snakes. Can we move to a different?
What's that, Sky?
Oh, farming.
Flowers.
Yeah.
And that can be too.
I keep sneezing.
Okay, we're going this path.
I wonder, where is this path
There's
going?
a lot of nuts.
Huh. Let's find out.
Oh, I think this is the water. We're going to the water. Interesting. Okay, guys, this time we are going to the water because they have a beach or creek in here. Let's go. So this is the pathway going in. Anyway, they're calling me. They're calling me. I'm coming. Anak, you go first, please. There's a lot of nuts. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Wow.
We made it! Mink hello!
Woohoo! Water.
Whoa, my God. Oh my God. Where to place it? Mom? Mom?
Here. Okay.
We slipped though. It's cold.
Okay, can you help me close it? Can you help me close it, please?
Sure thing. It's leaking.
It's open.
I'm gonna go
oh
in.
my gosh. Where's the takip? It's okay.
Wow! The water is so clear and so refreshing. Even Chubby likes it.
Oh my gosh, I can't go. Mom, I can't go. Why? Mom, I got this. I'm gonna get wet.
It's slippery though.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Kai.
How about me? I want to pick up my phone. So my hand. I want to pick up my phone. Yes, I'm trying.
Can you put this?
It's slippery.
Because somebody even still have your bag with that. On the rock.
It is slippery.
Not slippery. It's super slippery. What if I fall in? Wait. Oh my god, that butt. Mommy! Wait, what if we go over there? Oh yeah, it's
That's slippery.
Why do we go from the rock?
Take Nathan, put your shoes. Put your shoes. And that's our chubby girl. She's so warm. She's so hot.
Wait!
She's just lying
I
there.
just slipped.
If you plan to come here, please wear a water shoes because it is really rocky and very slippery.
Si Chubby. Chubby, you're wet. Where's your towel, Chubby?
Well, the kids are enjoying the water. They just love water.
Yeah, you need Wait, all of it's going open. Yeah, put your. Mine is so high up. Here, this is good. I'm just gonna close it.
I should have wear shorts, but oh well, I can't go there. I'm sad.
So clear. There's a lot of tadpoles.
This creek has a lot of tadpoles and fishes swimming.
Come on. We're here. You're the only one. Everyone grab her.
All right, we're heading to the center. Bye, Creek. Till next time.
Come and follow us and let's explore the nature center.